Bonjour tout le monde, how are you doing today? Welcome back with me, Farah. Today's video is going to be all about style hacks or fashion hacks. Questions that you may have floating around in your mind and that I've also been asked by my clients. That's what I wanted to answer for you today, and I just want to say before I get into it that these are just suggestions. They're also a guideline for you to know what to do if you don't yet know what to do. You have to know the rules to break the rules, right? So pretty much this is why I'm making this video. So I hope you find it helpful. Let's get right into this video. Okay, the first question is about when you're wearing a skirt, whatever length it is, how long should your coat be? Okay, this is interesting because it really depends on your height, first of all. If you're a tall person, I think it's nice to wear a longer coat, even if you surpass the hem of the skirt or dress. And if you're on the shorter side, I think it's nice for it to match the hem of the skirt. So I think that's a good rule to follow. It can be a little shorter, but the longer coat elongates your frame as it is, and it's just a very elegant silhouette. So that's what I would say. If you wanted to, however, go for a totally different silhouette, I would go for a shorter jacket. And just like I can picture a dress, a shorter dress, maybe knee length or shorter, with either a bomber, a leather jacket, a jean jacket. So if you're wearing something a little more playful, a little shorter, it could also work for a longer skirt or dresses. So have a play and see what works, but that's the general rule that I would follow. Okay, let's talk about monochrome and monochromatic looks, which means one color head to toe. People have a lot of trouble wrapping their head around this concept if you haven't tried it before. And a lot of the questions are about whether the colors need to be exactly the same. And the answer is absolutely not. The colors can vary in shades. That actually gives the outfit more dimension. It can also vary in texture. I've worn a lot of monochrome with, like, say I have a fluffy sweater and a satin skirt, and they're both two different shades and tones in the same color palette. And that's how you can do a monochromatic look. It doesn't have to be exactly the same shade. Question number 3 is about, can you only wear certain colors? Are there certain colors that are suited to you and you can't go out of those colors? I am a rule breaker when it comes to fashion. I am such a rebel, and I have loved experimenting with color, with silhouettes, and that's how I found my personal style. So what I would suggest to you is, my answer personally would be a no. I do think there are colors that are better and shades that are better suited to certain skin tones, hair, and that's why when you work with a stylist, a style consultant, you can really get to know what colors like really bring out, you know, the brightness, the luminescence of your complexion or your hair or your eyes. But if you want to wear red, for example, and you think like, no, that's not in my colors, there will be a red out there that suits you. There's a blue out there that suits you. And different shades of white, different shades of black. It's just about finding what shade exactly you can wear. Even a color like yellow, which is really controversial and hard to wear. Perhaps you can find a shade that suits you. If not a shade, you can wear it as a pop of color. I actually did a video recently about pop of color, and so if you want to check out the way a Parisian styles a pop of color, check that video out. Okay, I get asked all the time by my clients when building out a wardrobe from scratch, what are the pieces that they should invest in, what's really, really important to build a wardrobe. I think shoes are really a make or break of an outfit. And if you look at fashion people, you will notice that it's all about the shoes for them. In Fashion Week, I love to look at shoes because that's how I identify whether this person is a fashion person or not. It's a little hack for you. And you will know by the shoes they're wearing, by the quality and the style and the pizzazz of the shoe. So I think it's really, really important if you want to invest in quality items for your wardrobe when you're building your wardrobe, are shoes. That's a basic. Another thing is like a nice tailored jacket to wear for nice dinners, nice lunches, meetings. You know, try to find that like crisp jacket that you can throw over pieces and elevate your look. Another good one to invest in is a good handbag, because those little details really, really can make or break an outfit. You can have the most beautiful outfit, and if your handbag is not reflecting the quality of the whole ensemble, you can break it. So that's another one. And my last tip would be get yourself a good belt, because you can do so much with a belt, and it also changes the look of an outfit. It can elevate a look, and also it's functional, super functional. So okay, so I've been asked on my channel as well, and my clients like me too, sometimes they ask me about what necklaces and earrings and accessories they should be wearing. Do they need to match? Absolutely not. They don't need to match. And your necklace, the style of your necklace doesn't need to match the style of your earrings. Again, it's really about personal style. So what I'm telling you, you have to suit it to your own sensibilities and what you feel good in. But as a rule, there is no rule. There is no rule about matching your necklace to your earrings. You can wear even just, you know, statement earrings, a different earring on each side, just one necklace, necklace and a bracelet, and rings. It doesn't really matter what you're doing. Just less is more when it comes to jewelry, in my opinion. And also, if you want to take also the Parisian aesthetic, less is more. So how Parisians will do it is they will just wear some earrings and, you know, maybe just a pendant necklace or nothing at all, and some rings. Or they will wear, you know, like maybe like a statement cuff, some rings, and the focus will be on their hands. So it's really about like where you want to draw your eye. That is a good hack, is when you're thinking of wearing jewelry. Another piece about the jewelry is I get asked whether it's important to match the colors of your jewelry, which means, do you need to wear gold and gold? If you're wearing gold on your hands, you have to wear gold on your neck and earrings. No, you don't need to do that either. You can have fun with different metals and mixing different metals in your outfit. If you really want to make a statement, however, I think there's something to a cohesive look, but you know, that's again getting into your personal style and trying things out, seeing what works for your skin tone and your style. But as a rule, I would say don't put yourself in a box. Break out of that box. Try things, have fun. Style is about having fun, and it's about evolving, and it's about finding who you are. Okay, one last question, and a question I get a lot, and why my clients come to me a lot, is how do I find my personal style? Wow, this is a loaded question. I think how you can find your personal style, again, is you have to be brave enough to go out there and try things. Also, a really good base to finding your personal style is to start with the things. Think about the outfit that you love the most to wear. why do you love to wear it? And ask yourself, how does it make me feel? Why do I love to wear it? What elements about it do I love to wear? And when you think of these things and you're looking for other pieces in your closet and things like that, you have to try to find the same resonance of this outfit. So it has to make you feel a certain way. It has to make you feel like you. Every outfit isn't going to be perfect that you put together. I put together outfits even today that I'm not totally happy with. But now I know enough about myself and my personal style that when I put on something that doesn't feel right, I know how to adjust it, and I know if it's not working for me and I don't feel confident in it. But it takes a little bit of trying things out, being brave, going out there, working with a stylist if you feel called to, if that resonates with you, if it's something you're ready for. To work with a stylist and to work with a style consultant, you need to be open to working on yourself, and you need to be in a place in your life where you want to work on yourself. It's kind of like personal development in a sense, or working with a therapist in a sense, because you're working on a part of yourself that you may not know how to work on by yourself. There's tons of books out there, tons of YouTube videos, even my channel. I love to give free content and value to you, but there's something about working one-on-one on your personal style. And so if that calls to you, I do have all my info in the description box below, and you can check it out. So with that, my friends, I'm ending this video. I hope you found this helpful. Please let me know. If you want a part 2, I'd be happy to do another fashion hacks video for you. Please give this video a thumbs up to let me know if you liked it. Thank you very much. It means so much to me. And subscribe to this channel if you're new. Join our lovely, lovely, lovely community. I just really love you guys so much, and I love engaging with you. So be sure to leave me a comment, tell me how you are. I'll see you in the next one. Bisous, à la prochaine fois.